Hurricane warning downgraded to tropical storm warning for Jamaica as Elsa weakens.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The hurricane warning for Jamaica has been downgraded to a tropical storm warning as Elsa continues to weaken while approaching the southern coast of Hispaniola. The Met Office says this means that hurricane conditions are no longer likely. However, tropical storm conditions pose a possible threat within the next 24 hours. Elsa, which is now a tropical storm, was located about 500 kilometers or 310 miles east-southeast of Moran Point, Jamaica at 10 a.m. today. The Met Office said that maximum sustained winds have decreased to near 110 kilometers per hour or 70 miles per hour with higher gusts, adding that little change in strength is forecast Saturday night, followed by a gradual weakening on Sunday and Monday. The system is still moving very quickly across the region at 29 miles per hour, which is giving it very little chance of intensifying, while atmospheric pressure was recorded at 1002 millibars. On its forecast track, the center of Tropical Storm Elsa will move near the southern coast of Hispaniola late Saturday, past northeast of Jamaica on Sunday morning, then move over parts of eastern Cuba later in the day. Weather conditions over Jamaica are expected to deteriorate Saturday evening, with widespread rain and tropical storm force winds spreading over northern and eastern parishes, and then to the rest of the island during the night and early on Sunday.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!